Hi, in this video, I will tell you about generative AI. I divided this video into 4 parts: introduction to generative AI, examples of generative AI, difference between generative AI and discriminative AI, will AI destroy humans? So get ready to watch today's amazing video. Introduction to generative AI. Generative AI is a type of artificial intelligence that can create a wide variety of data, such as images, videos, audio, text, and 3D models. It does this by learning patterns from existing data and then using this knowledge to generate new and unique outputs. Generative AI is capable of producing content, as opposed to other forms of AI that might be used for other purposes, such as analyzing data or helping to control a self-driving car. Generative AI systems use generative models such as large language models to statistically sample new data based on the training data set that was used. The capabilities of a generative AI system depend on the modality or type of the data set used. Generative AI has a diverse range of applications that go beyond text, video, image, speech generation, and data augmentation. For instance, it can be used for music generation, game development, healthcare, and more. Generative AI has the potential to transform various domains, and its influence on our lives is set to grow exponentially. Examples of generative AI. Some examples of generative AI include: number 1, ChatGPT, a conversational chatbot that uses generative AI to produce new content, including computer code, essays, emails, social media captions, and more. Number 2, DALL-E, an AI image generator that uses generative AI to produce new images based on text descriptions. Number 3, Lambda A, conversational AI that uses generative AI to produce natural language responses to user queries. Number 4, Google Bard, a generative AI tool that uses AI to generate poetry. Number 5, Bing AI, a generative AI tool that uses AI to generate text. Number 6, Music LM, a generative AI model that uses AI to generate music. Number 7, Image synthesis. OpenAI's DALL-E 2 and other products use AI to create pictures based on text descriptions. Number 8, Manufacturing. Autodesk, Creo, and other products use generative AI to design physical objects and create those objects through 3D printing or computer-controlled machining and additive manufacturing. Number 9, Healthcare. Physicians can use generative AI to develop custom care plans. These are just a few examples of the many applications of generative AI. As the technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more innovative uses of generative AI in various industries. Difference between generative AI and discriminative AI. Generative AI and discriminative AI are two different approaches to machine learning. Generative AI is used to create new content, such as images, audio, and writing samples, while discriminative AI is used for classification tasks, such as image or speech recognition. Generative AI models can understand the context of the input data, making them ideal for applications such as chatbots, automated content creation, and text-to-speech systems. Discriminative models, on the other hand, focus on predicting labels and are better suited for classification tasks. Discriminative models learn about the boundary between classes within a dataset, while generative models learn about the distribution of the dataset. Discriminative models are typically more flexible than generative models in expressing dependencies in complex learning tasks, while generative models are typically better suited for density estimation and unsupervised learning tasks. Will AI destroy humans? There is no evidence to suggest that AI will destroy humans. However, the impact of AI on society is widely debated. Many argue that AI improves the quality of everyday life by doing routine and even complicated tasks better than humans can, making life simpler, safer, and more efficient. Others argue that AI poses dangerous privacy risks, exacerbates racism by standardizing people, and costs workers their jobs, leading to greater unemployment. As AI becomes more powerful, the possible negative impacts could become much larger. Many of these risks have rightfully received public attention, such as the risk that humanity might not be able to stay in control once AI becomes very powerful, and that this might lead to an extreme catastrophe. However, if implemented responsibly, AI can benefit society. It is crucial that we address concerns proactively and work to ensure that AI is used for the betterment of society.